Repurposing discarded car bodies as chicken coops is indeed a unique and creative idea. There are several benefits to this concept that make it not only innovative but also practical and environmentally friendly. Firstly, utilizing old car bodies as chicken coops can help in reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Instead of letting these car bodies rust away in junkyards or landfills, giving them a new purpose as a chicken cage provides a second life to these materials, reducing the environmental impact of manufacturing new materials for chicken coops. Secondly, car bodies are typically made of durable materials such as metal, which can offer excellent protection and insulation for the chickens. The sturdy structure of a car body can provide a safe and secure shelter for the chickens from predators, weather elements, and other potential hazards. Additionally, the size and layout of a car body can be advantageous for creating a functional chicken coop. The different compartments of the car, such as the trunk or passenger area, can be repurposed into nesting boxes, roosting areas, and feeding stations for the chickens. The windows of the car can be modified into ventilation openings, ensuring adequate airflow within the coop. Furthermore, repurposing a car body as a chicken coop can be a cost-effective solution for backyard chicken farmers. Instead of purchasing new materials to build a coop from scratch, using a discarded car body can save money while still providing a secure and comfortable living space for the chickens. However, there are certain considerations to keep in mind when repurposing a car body for this purpose. It is essential to thoroughly clean and sanitize the interior of the car body to ensure a safe and healthy environment for the chickens. Removing any sharp or hazardous materials, such as broken glass or metal fragments, is crucial to prevent injuries to the birds. Moreover, proper insulation and ventilation need to be incorporated into the design of the car body chicken coop to regulate temperature and moisture levels effectively. Adequate insulation will help keep the chickens warm during colder seasons, while proper ventilation will prevent the buildup of humidity and ammonia inside the coop. Additionally, providing access to natural light and outdoor space is essential for the well-being of the chickens. Consider incorporating windows or creating openings in the car body to allow sunlight to enter the coop, as well as providing a fenced outdoor area where the chickens can roam and forage. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the car body chicken coop are also necessary to ensure a clean and hygienic environment for the chickens. This includes removing waste, replacing bedding, and checking for any signs of damage or wear that may compromise the structural integrity of the coop. In conclusion, repurposing discarded car bodies as chicken coops is a unique and innovative idea that offers several advantages in terms of sustainability, functionality, and cost-effectiveness. By creatively transforming these materials into shelters for chickens, individuals can contribute to reducing waste, providing a safe habitat for their poultry, and embracing a more eco-friendly approach to animal husbandry.